visiting the Artjuna cafe in North Goa. So let's check out what all the hype about this cafe is. And before we go ahead, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on my new videos. And also we are gonna host a doodle workshop over here at Artjuna, and we are super excited about it. Check out the video till the end to see how things unroll. So let's go inside some shops and check out what stuff they have. So they have this small cute outdoor art gallery and there are pieces of art for sale, and I think that's a super cool concept. So probably if I ever own a cafe, I think this is kind of the way I would want it to be like. Super awesome. I love it. They have a lot of events and stuff happening all the time around. Let's check out some. So here are... Now we are going to go pitch people to attend my doodle workshop, and really hoping that it works. It's going to be the happiest day of my life if I get a few people to do my workshop. People to do our doodle workshop, and let's check out what they are doing. So would you guys like to say hi? fun day here at Artjuna with a very successful workshop, and everyone had a lot of fun, and I think I'm the most happiest person in the whole world because I'm kind of having this social experiment where I'm out of my own city, which is Mumbai, and going to a new city, a new place, and pitching people to join my workshop and see how it works. And it worked perfectly well, and I think I'm extremely happy today. See you in some other place at some other time with some other workshop. Stay tuned.
Thank you.